Okay, guys, if I never press start streaming, then I'm just never going to start streaming. So I may as well just press start streaming and start streaming. I'm going to be working on Harbor today, which might seem like a bit random, but I'm basically kind of sick of it being in the hands of other people. So I'm trying to bring it back into my hands, basically. Now that I'm a lot more familiar with coding, etc., I don't need. Basically, it was built by a third party provider, and I would quite like to have it in my own system and have it in my own hands now that I know what I'm doing. Now, I am extremely tired today. I wasn't really planning on streaming, but yeah, I just wanted to kind of start streaming because I was working on something. So this is what I'm working on. I'm working on bringing Harbor, which is my first SaaS, not Grove, Harbor, into my own hands. So I'm also testing the power of Opus 4.5 plan mode, which, if you don't know, I just made a video about this. It's extremely powerful. It's probably the most powerful coding thing that I've ever used or ever seen. Hey, Big Toasty, how you doing? So yeah, this is the Harbor migration plan, AWS to DigitalOcean. Right now, it's on AWS, and I would quite like to basically move everything over to AWS instead. And yeah, that's what this entire stream is going to be about. So let's just dive into things. Let me just cover something on my phone. Beautiful. Oh, hang on. So yeah, apologies if I look a bit disheveled and a bit tired. I am disheveled and tired, so there we go. So yeah, I'm basically just going to say yes and bypass permissions, and I'm going to start bringing this system over to my own system. So we'll just say yes here. If this can just one-shot this kind of thing, that would be absolutely amazing, but obviously we'll see. Let me just give it a couple of things that it needs. So it needs a DigitalOcean, what's it called? DigitalOcean key, API key, so I'll just give it that now. That's why you can see my face instead of my screen, because I don't want to share my API key, of course. How's everyone doing today? What you all working on? I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all working hard. Happy Monday. This is definitely the best time to be working, guys. Why does it say estimate cost to 0? That doesn't look very good. So let me just go here. Sorry, guys, just 1 second. Bought Opus Max plan, use the API, 50 API cost and 50 100. I'm getting broke, poor student life. Yeah, you got to be careful for sure. Regenerate token, but I hope it'll be worth it. I hope it's worth it too. Let me just grab this. Sorry, guys, I just need to. Here's my DigitalOcean API key. Also, I do want locally too, but I always have some kind of issue because JWT token or something. Also, I have the SQL file dump. Sorry, guys, just give me 2 seconds, which is here. Okay. As soon as my DigitalOcean thing has loaded, I'll go off my beautiful face and go back to actually what I'm doing on the screen. Maybe add those to the plan as future clause. So how's everyone doing today? What you all working on? I hope you're all working hard. Even if I have Gemini 3 for free. Hi Hamish, hope you're doing well. I am well. I might look tired, guys. I'm actually completely fine. I just, yeah, had a bit of a break this weekend and may have overdone it a little bit, as you do. I'm sure you guys are all familiar with that. But yeah, may have overdone it a little bit on the weekend, but you know, it is what it is. It happens. Yeah, so one problem I've always had with Harbor is the first SaaS I ever made. One problem I've always had is that it was built by a third-party company and then controlled by devs, and you know, I had never really had control over it, right? Which is obvious because at the time when we first launched, the day that we launched, or the day that we talked to like our first developer about doing Harbor, he was like, "So what's your CI/CD pipeline?" And we were like, "What the fuck is a CI/CD pipeline?" Right? Sorry guys, I'm just trying to make sure that you can't see my API key, but should be good to go in a second. I just started. So yeah, the guy said, one of my friends from the US, he was basically like, what is your CI/CD pipeline? And I said, what the hell is CI/CD, right? And he said, what about your DevOps? And I said, what's DevOps? So yeah, maybe you can kind of see. Hi, I'm from Paris. I try to understand, but I'm bad in English. Yeah, I wish I could put subtitles, but yeah, I can't. So yeah, basically what happened was Harbor was made by a third-party company, and then we hired devs to control it, to run it, etc. And I just lost all control of it, right? I couldn't ship updates. I couldn't. Yeah, it's an old school, vintage. Yeah, which really it's frustrated me for the last year and a half. I've barely been able to ship updates to Harbor. It's all been in the hands of other people, which is fine. Obviously, I'm not saying that's a big problem, but I would prefer it if it was in my hands, right? Of course. Test new DeepSeek model. Probably not. Can you make a video about mental recovery after burnout while working with Claude Code? At least for me, I got so tired since January, so I can't work right now. I can't motivate myself. Oh man, sounds tough. Honestly, sounds really tough. I'm just gonna swap back to my screen. In terms of mental, you just gotta think, right? If you're not building, someone else is gonna build. So, in my opinion, the best thing to do is just get building, because otherwise, someone is gonna come along and take your idea, build your idea, whatever it might be, right? So, I don't know. I don't know. It's really hard. I understand what you're talking about though, for sure. Yeah, I can't stand Claude Code sometimes. Try the new DeepSeek model. I'll have a look. Is that being released on Open Router? Let's have a look. Models. Yes, it has. What? Oh, okay. Speciale. Interesting. Is this going to be another trash model? Probably. I'm not really a big fan of DeepSeek, to be honest with you. Context is low. I'm not seeing a reason to use this, to be honest. Okay, so like I was saying, I've always had an issue with Harbor where I just haven't been able to get it to run locally. I haven't been able to code with it. I'm really hoping that I can just instantly jump into this and start coding. That would be absolutely incredible. I can't stop. Hey Bilal, how you doing? I just have fun again, vibe coding like in 3. Yeah, same for sure. I always have fun with it too. It's actually running. Interesting. No. I can just give you the API key. Don't worry. I'll just give you a temporary API key. No problem. 1 second, guys. So yeah, Harbor has been a constant problem for me. 130K window looks like a joke. People were waiting for R2 model and they're still publishing 3. Yeah, for sure. For sure. It's a bit of a joke, I know. Yeah, I'm probably not going to be testing the new DeepSeek model, just so you all know. If you're here for the new DeepSeek, then yeah, you're in the wrong place. I will probably not even make a video about it because it's just not worth it. 1 second, guys. You can see my beautiful face for a little bit longer. My potato haircut that I've got right now. I don't like this haircut at all. I really just don't like it. That's just me personally, though. I prefer like the big. But yeah, unfortunately, OpenAI key. Sorry, guys, I just need some keys, so I'm just blocking the screen for a second, and you can just look at my face instead, just while I grab some API keys. So let me just grab OpenAI. Random name. OpenAI API key. Anthropic API key. Console.anthropic.com. I can't believe they've released 130K better than the Afro MIO. Yeah, my fiance agrees with you. I prefer the Afro personally. It is what it is. I've had my entire life. I've had people tell me to get my hair cut. Like it's a constant recurring theme in my entire life. So I'm used to it. I'm definitely used to it. I'm used to people not liking it, etc., etc. So yeah, I'm actually really excited for this. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Now that I'm better at coding and dev and things like that, I've been wanting for a very, very long time to bring Harbor back into my kind of tech stack and yeah, just kind of run with it a little bit more. I've had this problem for a while, for sure. Even if I can just get Harbor running locally, I mean that would actually be quite a big advantage. Do dreads? I've had dreads. They're not very. They're not very nice. To be honest with you. They just. They kind of feel like. What do you mean deep seek API key? I don't know why this has deep seek inside it. I'm not sure who added that. Not me. That's so weird. Okay, are we actually running? Almost. Okay, I should be able to switch back to the screen. So what am I doing right now, guys? Right now I'm just working on oh no. I'm just streaming. Yeah, I thought we would just eat that because we kind of need to eat them. So also there's some brazil and some bread if you want. Just eat that cold. That works too. 1 second, guys. Just logging into Stripe. I did think this would be a problem, but two. I think they won't nerf Opus because it got much cheaper for themselves too. Yeah, I'm hoping for the same. To be honest with you, I can't show the screen right now, guys. Sorry, you're just gonna have to look at my face for a little bit. Although this is only a test key, I guess, so it doesn't matter too much. All right, we've almost got things running. Just an FYI, guys, I haven't been able to code on Harbor in about 6 months, so hopefully, even just doing this small change will allow me to make some changes to Harbor. I don't even necessarily have to migrate everything over, to be honest with you. I can just sto in diretta. Okay, back end is running. Interesting. Let's get the front end running. Just 2 seconds, and I'll show the screen again, guys. Should be good. Yeah, perfect. Vibe coding for a client feels like robbery. That is quite funny. Oh, Harbor is now running locally. I haven't been. Oh my god, it actually works. I haven't had this in fucking ages, guys. Yeah. So yeah, what are you all working on today, guys? You better be working. You better not be slacking. I agree, Bilal. Okay, let's see if this actually works. So this is the thing that I've been having problems with since I started Harbor. I wasn't able to log in. Yeah, okay. Still doesn't. Something to do with, I don't know. Sold a website for $1,000 and it took me 20 minutes. Classic. It's just actually going to let me log in. I might not actually, thinking about this, guys, I might not actually migrate everything. I might just invalid credentials. I might not even necessarily have to migrate everything. I can just, as long as I can work on things locally, I don't really care about anything else. I just haven't been able to work on anything. Why did I not do this earlier? Oh my god, I logged in. It actually worked. No way. Give me credits. Working today on internal web app for time management or of employees, a cybersecurity consulting firm. Nice. If I can actually just work on things, I don't necessarily have to migrate everything. I just want to be able to work on things. It's kind of annoying that I haven't been able to. Nah, I'll be alright though. I'll eat in a bit. Okay, so we've got 1,000 tokens. Let's see. tmen.it/sitemap.xml. Men's casual suits. Generate. Okay, holy shit. Well, this is something I haven't been able to do in God knows how long. Literally. Yeah, loads. Oh my god, I can fix Harbor finally. That's so nice. Those lentils smell really good. Are they nice? It actually works. What the hell? Okay, so this is something I haven't been able to do in a very long time. I didn't even think about getting it set up with Claude Code. I'm such an idiot sometimes. It's working. I kind of want to just sack the migration plan. It's not that important to me. Wait, let me just ask my dev something. Weird. So yeah, there's a couple of things I need to actually do here. But this is, I thought YouTuber would pay you way more, honestly. Yeah, true. It's crazy, isn't it? 1 month last year, I made $11,000 in a month from YouTube ads, and now my max is like 1,000. It's crazy, actually. The amount that it's dropped. I don't know why it's even happened either. That's why I have to take sponsors and stuff. What's cooking? Hey, Fat J. I'm just working on Harbor, trying to work out if I can actually get it running and stuff locally. But I have actually got it running, which is beautiful. Okay, I might actually wait. Let's do a compact. This is huge for me, guys. I haven't managed to get Harbor running locally on my computer for literally years. Well, not years, but 6 months, I think. I might actually sack the migration. So yeah, this is the original. I don't know if you guys even remember Harbor. This is the original thing that I made. Made it last year. I thought with Black Friday and Cyber Monday, ad revenue would be at its peak. Nah. What'd you say, love? No, I'm not gonna be there. I'm working on Harbor. Yeah, I'm taking it back because I'm sick of it not.
What are you trying to do here?
I just want to be able to make changes to it without.
I don't know. 16 articles, like.
Yeah, I'm thinking about that. Yeah. To be honest, at this point, we may as well. Also, I'm thinking about making it free and then putting ads on it instead.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you've got it running, which is amazing. I'm less inclined to move over to DigitalOcean instead. Can we get everything? No, can instead. I'd just like to make changes normally and push to branches merged into the app. Is this possible? I know this is a dumbass question, guys. I'm just getting my head around this. Yeah, I might have some of those nanols in a bit. They smell really good. I finally have Harbor running locally. Jesus. Oh my god, it feels good. Hey, Rowan. I'm not Rowan, but hey. What system do you recommend to make fast SEO? Someone said, hey, Rowan. My name's Hamish, not Rowan. Rowan is my business partner. How to make fast SEO ready landing pages. I have a GitHub for that. If you go github.com/income stream surfers, current status what I wouldn't use them. Current CI/CD workflow based on what I found. GitHub Actions are configured to build Docker images and push to AWS ECR. Deployment happens via a custom / Docker endpoint on your server that pulls and runs new images. Your development workflow. This was built by someone else, by the way. I'm a bot. You can locally push to branches and merge as usual. Local changes, push to branch, create PR, merge to. Okay, the only AWS. Okay, what you can do right now, make changes locally. You now have a working local environment. Finally, test locally. Backend on 5.12, front end on 3001. Push to branch, normal GitHub workflow, create PRs. You still have okay. So Suzette, you said that Harbor was doing really long articles and what else? Yeah, wait, so what models are being complete list of AI models? I'm going to start making changes, guys. These are the changes I've wanted to make for fucking ages. I wouldn't be surprised if this is using Claude Sonnet 3.7 for fuck's sake. I'm going to just change all the models. I don't need DeepSeek. Don't worry about DeepSeek. Is this still running? Yeah. Generate content, detailed scrape data, inserted one logs. Okay. Look at these models, for God's sake. Jesus. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the models to more modern models. Okay, I would like to move to more modern models. For example, Sonnet 4.5 and Haiku 4.5 and GPT 5.1 Mini. The main issue with this is they may have different prompt structures. Can you do a detailed search online to see the how we would change to these models? For example, I think max tokens isn't a thing anymore on more modern Anthropic models. Can you read? I said GPT 5.1 mini. Oh, no. But for vibe coding with Claude Opus 4.5, we must have the max plan. Yeah, it is what it is, dude. Oh, hey, bro. Just streaming. How you doing? Nice, mate. Nice. What? What's your opinion about programmatic SEO in 2025, 2026? Provided all the technicals I met. 100. I think programmatic SEO is not as necessary as it was because a lot of the things that you would want to be achieving, you could just achieve with Claude Code doing it programmatically, but not actually programmatically. So that there's a lot more of uniqueness about the pages. One of the problems with programmatic SEO is that it's not always unique, right? So you can here before $1 million. Yeah, so Claude Code can kind of basically fill in a lot of the gaps, right? So you don't really have to do as much programmatic SEO because Claude Code does that part for you, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm definitely getting scammed by YouTube. It's gone up recently. Oh, that might actually be Black Friday. True. It's probably going to go down again. Oh, true. True, true, true. Yeah, I've been scraping loads of data, but you're right with Claude Code, you could just fill in a lot of pages. Yeah, exactly. I just watched a video about the future. I just watched a video about the future of SaaS, etc. What you're trying to say that apps SaaS may be a thing like make right now, you need it for the task you need. Yeah, I know what you mean. A lot of people talk about this. It's like why make a SaaS when people can just um when you can just make your own little thing to do the thing that the SaaS is doing, right? But there's also the whole thing about, for example, like, you know, the layman, I hate that term. I keep saying it, I don't know why, but the layman is not going to be making their own apps, right? On SEO Grove, did you do full OAuth with callback or manual creating of the apps? I think it's just callback, as far as I know. What OpenAI pricing table? What does that even mean? Okay, let's see if this finished. It did not finish. Please update the API keys. Interesting. That didn't work for some reason. Do you need to restart the server for this to work? I'm pretty sure it's just callback. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not actually a developer. It may seem like I'm a developer, but I'm not a developer. I am a vibe coder through and through, and I never claim to be anything else. They're changing from January, or the apps have to go through approval. Oh, really? Oh, damn. Oh, damn, really? Oh, shit. Interesting. Where is that? Oh, here we go. Um, yeah, everybody rushing to get Shopify apps approved. Oh, you mean Shopify? I actually looked into this. They didn't. It doesn't actually matter as much as it might seem when I did this research, but I think this is only if you're an app, though. You can still make custom plugins, as far as I read into it. I read into it. Are you sure about that, Technodome? I did a lot of research into it when people started saying that to me. Hey, Sharik Karaz, how you doing? I looked into this at the time. It didn't seem like it was going to be a problem for us, but are you using the business team agents or orchestrator repo yourself? I'm not using it at the moment, no. I just use my own. I just use the blend. You're making me worry now, dude. Yeah, I know that's what it says, but you can still make apps through the new app dashboard, I'm pretty sure. I looked into it when I read about this. When I looked into it, which I did, because obviously this would affect us. Sorry, 1 second, guys. Which comms first? You could click. Where is it? Hey, what are you working on? I'm working on getting Harbor SEO back into my me being able to make changes and stuff, basically, because I had a problem where I couldn't actually make any changes for a long time. I did read about this, guys. Where the hell did I have the option to make a new app? 1 second, guys. Just give me 2 secs, because this would affect Grove, obviously. What the fuck is this? Oh, I know that there won't be a create an app button. I understand that. I do understand that. I'm saying that it doesn't matter because you can still create an app through their app development thing. I did have this. 1 second. Sorry about the name of this store. Just ignore the name of the store. um, I looked into this at the time. I mean, Claude Code said that it was fine, but that is just Claude Code. So look, you can still create an app here. It's exactly the same thing. The only thing that's changing is the you can still select scopes, like blog, or not blog, product, content. Yes, but you would need to create an individual app per store as opposed to OAuth. Oh, I already do that though. That's how Grove already works. Sorry, techno dumb. Maybe I didn't explain myself properly, but that's how Grove already works. Basically, you already have to make a single thing per store anyway. This is how it already works. Do you actually have Shopify stores that are developing profit, or are these just testing sites? I can show you Two Men, for example. This was a store created by me 2 years ago. Obviously, it's Black Friday, so this is going to be slightly higher than normal. If we put it on 90 days, let's say. I mean, yeah, he's pretty happy with this. I'll tell you that much. This was just money that he was just not getting before I did all this. But yeah, this is one example. I'm not going to show any of the stores because they're not my stores to show. But yeah, I have made stores that generate a metric ton of profit. Yeah, so they did very, very well this Black Friday. It looks like, again, standard. I mean, they do sell an absolute ton on Black Friday, to be honest with you. But yeah, that's just one example. I'm not going to go into too much detail. Yeah, we don't use multi-tenant OAuth. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm updating the models in Harbor. It's been a long time since I actually updated the models in Harbor, so this is actually a really, really nice thing. I'm also probably going to add a new feature because it's been a while since we had a new feature as well. Researcher. Also, the researcher, thanks man, is apparently not doing that good work right now, so I need to check that out as well. I wanted to ask, how did you go about building tools like Harbor SEO and SEO Grow? They're pretty complex app now. Were they completely vibe coded? So Harbor was made by um, Harbor was made by a company. Grove was fully vibe coded. Imagine two men with 1% conversion rate. Yeah, that is very true. I did actually just see that when I was just looking. True. Maybe we need a redesign here. The problem. No, I won't say that. I'm not going to go into. I can't say that on stream. Never mind. Let's just say. What the fuck's going on here? The hell? I've never seen this before. Stop, please. Stop. Stop. What the fuck? Oh my. Weird. Am I clicking somewhere? No. That was weird. Yeah, true, Bilal. Very, very true. Get me on board for CVR optimization. Let me just say that we would have already done it had we had the budget for it. Let's just leave it there. Why is this just refreshing? I have no idea what's going on here. You good? The fuck? I would love to get you on board, dude, but let's just say there's no budget. No budget in the inn. And that's not on our side either. I don't want to go into details. If you know the expression getting getting blood out of a stone, then you might understand what I'm talking about. Thanks though, Technodum, by the way. Thanks for trying to warn me because I know that would have been a problem for sure. Yeah, it's very hard working with some people. Let's just put it that way. If you've ever worked with Southern Italians, you might know what I'm talking about. I love Southern Italians. Don't get me wrong. I absolutely love Southern Italians. My fiance is a Southern Italian. I'm contractually obliged to say that, but it's not the easiest working with them at times. Maybe you know what I'm talking about. Maybe you don't. If you work with Italians, then yeah, you might know what I mean. Yep. Oh, you got me. Okay. Good. Okay, I can finally make changes to Harvard. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's been a long, long time. Do a lovable Shopify theme, then give him 1 week on lovable storefront end and compare. Now he can do one basically. I'm not going into detail. I love the guy. All right, he was a mentor for me. He was a bit like a father figure for me at some point in my life as well. But he can do one. He gave me my first job in SEO. Like I would never talk bad about him really, but if you've worked with Southern Italians, you probably know what I'm getting at. Yeah, Sicilian people are rough. I love them. Don't get me wrong. I absolutely love them. I love Sicilian people too. I love Neapolitans, but they are very, very hard to work with. Very, very hard to work with. They're tough, real tough, really, really tough. You know, it's weird. I swear on the camera you can see like inflammation on my cheeks or something that you can't see in the mirror. I don't know what that is. It's like my sinuses, and honestly, my sinuses have been blocked for a very long time, so I don't really know. It's interesting though. It's like the camera can pick them up, but I can't see them in the mirror. It's interesting. Completely irrelevant, obviously, but just thought I'd mention that. 1 second, guys. Yeah, it's definitely a tough one. Oh, it might be the shadow of my glasses, actually, thinking about it. Possibly. I don't know. Anyway. Not relevant, not relevant. Okay, so it looks like Harbor is working, which is so fucking nice. You guys don't understand how stressful this has been for me. Me typing it while eating Italian cookies. Yeah, true, dude, true. Candy. Shin. Shin. I also speak Italian. I also understand Neapolitan. I also love them as well. Don't get me wrong. I love Italians. I love Neapolitans. But yeah, I'm not giving him anything else. Let's just leave it there. Cantuccini. Cantuccini. Oh, cantuccini. Ah, yeah. Biscotti. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Is it these ones? I love these biscuits. Oh, they're so good. Oh, they're from Tuscany originally. I think cantuccini is just the name for biscuit, another name for biscuit in Italian. Biscotto. Okay, this is still running. It does take a while, by the way, guys. Harbor is a bit slow, to be fair. So yeah, I've been getting a few complaints about Harbor over the last few months, and I just kind of want to just fix it. That's kind of what we're doing today. I know Candy. I know Candy. Green coffee beans wholesale. You won't be able to send. Hey Rick, how you doing, dude? Oh, sorry, yeah, Bilal. Yeah, those biscuits. Sorry, I thought you were trying to send a link. How you doing, Rick? Top of the morning, T2, or top of the afternoon to you. I've noticed recently everyone has started live streaming. Literally everyone is live streaming suddenly. It's kind of funny, actually. All right, I'm changing the title of my video to Absolutely Insane. Let's see if it makes a difference. People always say, wow, how can you always use insane? And then it's like, bro, you're clicking the video. What do you want from me? Watching from London, UK. Nice. How I can create it with Claude Code. Green coffee, beans, wholesale. It's a really tough question you're asking me, dude. It's a really vague question. Shit. Star. Come and say hello. Come on. Come and say hello. Come on. The people want to see you, Candy. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come and say hello. Don't be shy. Come on. Ah, I got you, didn't I? Oh, you let me grab you, didn't you? There she is. You guys can actually see her for once instead of seeing the cutout. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, you're so sweet, aren't you? Watch the views go crazy because I have a cat. No, no, no. No, 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 stop. Okay, I have to move actually. Go on, you can go. You're free, you're free. Go on. These are probably the only lives I look forward to. Thank you for saying that. By the way, how did your big meeting go the other day? It went very, very well, but we'll see if, yeah, it converts basically, right? A meeting can go as well as you think it can go, but it's only good if they actually convert, right? But they were really, really nice guys, so we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, everyone's been live streaming recently. I noticed it's like a new thing. I think they've realized just how good it is for their channels. So, not talking about anyone in particular, obviously. I never do. But yeah, everyone is live streaming recently. There's some really good names on RuneScape. RuneScapers are the masters of usernames, I swear. They're so funny with it, man. Lend me 500 mil. That name. Oh, RuneScape has never changed. Never changed, man. I love RuneScape, dude. Their names are just so fucking good. Okay, so generated content, making Claude code for content, something. I don't even know how this works anymore. What is the best AI WordPress site builder? I'm going to send you something. It's a free one. It's not fully operational right now. I do have some things to change. This is the wrong GitHub. But I do have... where are my repos? I have this. Oh, apparently not. This should help you out. It'll probably be a lot better with Opus. Refactored the front end while having Claude Code front skills on, and boom, baby. Hell yeah, dude. Nice. Spin up 10 sub agency. Oh, yeah. That's the way to do things for sure. Looks like we're getting code here. Final update. No template provided. Should appear here any second. This is using the latest models that I've been wanting to change for ages. This was still using Sonnet 3.7, which is just terrible. Okay, so I'm going to make a few more changes to this today. This isn't just going to be the end, and then I'm just going to stop. I'm going to make a few more changes. I need to check out what's going on with the keyword generator. Someone said that the keyword generator was messed up. I need to make sure that it's not, because I don't think it is messed up, but you know, you got to be careful. It'll be interesting to see what these better models produce with this rather ridiculous prompt, to be honest with you. If I showed you the Harbor prompt, you'd be like, what the fuck? What, what is that? But obviously, it was based off how bad the models were in the past, right? Who did your front end with Harbor? It was Rowan again. I think OpenAI doesn't bring something really big in 2026. It may be over for them, possibly, but you know, people associate AI with ChatGPT, right? If you say, name me an AI system, 99% of people are going to say ChatGPT, right? So it's like Google. They're like the Google of the AI world, to be honest with you. So in that sense, I don't think it is over for them because it's not just about coding, right? They're trying to be the AI for everyone, and I think they're doing a pretty good job with that. We as power users are saying, what the hell is OpenAI doing? Are they going to update? You know, although I will say Codex is very, very good, to be fair. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I actually do agree. Google will take over OpenAI's place earlier or later. It must happen inevitable. I do agree with that. You can't really compete with Google on data, and AI is all about data. So I actually still use Yahoo. No, I'm joking. But for some reason, something on my fiance's computer keeps saying Yahoo as the as the search engine of choice, which is quite funny actually. She's like, "Why the fuck is it using Yahoo?" Oh man, so funny. This is really taking a long time, I have to say. Longer than I would have expected. Yeah, it's probably a virus, yeah. It's called the Yahoo virus. It's the worst of the worst. Yahoo? Okay, no, almost. Will you just fucking finish, please? What's going on? You stay up last night?
Oh, a little bit.
What did you do?
Playing better with us.
Oh, fair. I thought you were going to be picking level like 50, no, like 100 herbalism. Guys, we've been playing WoW again. World of Warcraft, the classic. Yeah, they have better budgets. They even train on their own chips. Yeah, I saw that thing about what is it, quantum computing or something. Like they don't even need Nvidia. Yeah, true, true. Have you guys heard of? I don't even know if I'm allowed to talk about it. Wait, are private servers illegal? Okay, never mind. Never mind, guys. Won't be talking about that. I saw about them some days ago. They did miss out 3 times on buying Google and 2 times on getting bought by Microsoft. Such insane fails. Better Day was the first one. Oh, okay. What class in WoW? Oh God, don't ask me. I'm so sorry to the Horde. I am currently a high elf paladin, which makes me want to vomit. But we have friends playing on Alliance, so I had to be Alliance. Normally, I would never ever in my life be Alliance. I'd be a Horde Orc warrior normally, but we have friends playing on the server, so we wanted to play with them. Jesus, this takes a long time. This needs to be faster. I wonder if I just changed everything to Haiku right now, if it would actually make a difference. It is a good question. So the final one is cleaning up content, I believe, so it should be done soon. Yeah, I'm very sorry to all Horde players. I am currently a paladin. Ugh. Yeah, I'm not allowed to talk about it because it's not legal, but I didn't realize that they weren't legal. I'm just waiting for Classic Plus, to be honest with you. I just really want this to happen. Alliance sucks. Unfollow. Yeah, I hate the Alliance. I hate the Alliance as well. You're not on your own though. It's just we have friends playing on Alliance. Oh my god, the star disappeared. You joking? That doesn't hurt. I should have showered before streaming. I'm actually pretty tired. I should have definitely showered before streaming. Wakes me up. Is this still not done? This is definitely too long. Yeah, I've been building back then with OpenRouter 2, right? I wasn't using OpenRouter back in the day. I use it now for most things. But I mean, this is not using OpenRouter as far as I know. No, it's not using OpenRouter. This is taking way too long. I'm not actually sure what the fuck. Should create a build guide interface. True. I'm not playing. I'm not playing Blizzard though. I don't know if I can even talk about it. So I'm just gonna stop before I get in trouble. No, what is that? No. Really? Right at the end, there was an error. So I just so close to see the content. Okay, we do have the content though. Looks like. No, it was an SQL error read. No, I can't. Oh my god, where do I see the error? Oh, it's here. Wait, why can it not see its own errors? Wait, how do you see more of? Oh, fuck me. I don't understand why I can't see those errors. Where is it? There's no way I have to wait for that content generation all over again, right? Ah. Yeah, I'm working on Harbor. Yeah, I'm just trying to get it back into my own hands. I had a lot of problems with Harbor where I just wasn't able to update it. Can we change all models to Haiku 4.5 to test if that improves the speed and works better? It can read shell output. I know it can. I don't know why it was struggling. Hey, how can I connect with you? What's the best way? You can email me or join the school. You can email me for free or join the school, and you can message me anytime on school. I'm just writing my email in the chat now. There you go. I'm all. So SEO, Grove, you vibe coded yourself end to end, yes. We're joining the school probably anyway, but I'll email you. Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. Suzette. See, this is what makes the difference, right? Because I know that there's still going to be hard-coded models somewhere. Yeah, look, GPT-4 mini, GPT. Knew it. Oh, okay. Okay, we have to wait again though. I don't know if there's a way to speed this up for testing. I actually have no idea, but I guess we just have to sit and wait. Yeah, if you email me now, I'll check it. Or just email me whenever. Okay, there we go. It's right. It's been a very, very long time since I've worked on Harbor. I just wasn't able to. I just didn't have the. I don't know. Yeah, I just wasn't able to make changes. I was getting really frustrated with it as well. Like, super, super frustrated. This is way faster. Copy the email exactly, by the way. It's not income stream surfers, it's income stream surfer. Just so you know. So yeah, it looks like there was a new model drop today. I might have a little look at it, but I'm really not expecting a lot. There's no way that it has proficiency comparable to Gemini 3.0 Pro. There's just no way. I just refuse to believe that. It's impossible. Why do they make claims like this? Maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like it just doesn't have that ability. Strength and honor. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. I am so sorry for playing on the Alliance, guys. Genuinely, I'm genuinely sorry. You ever thought about launching your own Shopify store if someone handles the fulfillment of orders for you? I would love to do that. If you have got an idea, Bilal, email me. If you want to sell something. We did do a couple of those partnerships, but partnerships just never work for some reason. It's really just, I don't know what the hell it is. It's like, I don't know what it is with partnerships. They just never work. That's how I find it anyway. This is much faster. I could probably make this even faster though, right? Maybe asyncing. Oh, this is OpenAI anyway. True. It's not even using fucking IQ. Yeah, I mean, I would happily sell things online. Like, I find it really fun. It's like one of my more. It's the thing I kind of enjoy the most is selling things online. To be honest with you. Got contact reliable fulfillment agents from my old ecom biz. Interessante. Molto interessante. Molto interessante. Yeah, I mean, it's something that we've been wanting to get into, obviously, for a while. As long as, like, all I have to do is just focus on the website, then I'm down, for sure. If I have to do, like, anything else other than just the website, then, yeah, I'm not really down. But I need some water, guys. I don't think I've had any water today. One sec. You know, when you just, oh, what the fuck is this? When you just start getting a headache and you're like, have I had any water today? Can you explain this max token issue? Which one? Oh, yeah, it's probably because why can it not read its own fucking output, bro? What's going on? Invalid response from OpenAI. That's weird. That shouldn't be a thing. Testing login locally. What the fuck? No, it is the correct. It's gonna auto compact. I'll just compact it myself. I'd rather compact it myself, to be honest with you. GPT 5.1 mini, not a thing. Nah. No. Nah. GPT 5 mini is real. Is it 1 million? No, it's 400,000. So what's the one with 1 million context? 400,000. Is it GPT 5.1? GPT 5.1. Man, every stream makes me want to try RuneScape. I've never played it. Don't try it. I just had one on Legion Maven. Wait, which GPT model has 1 million? I swear one of them did. Or maybe we just drank it. Sorry. This is 400,000. This will do. It will take over your life. Do not start playing RuneScape unless you're okay with it taking over your life, in which case, fair enough. How's it going? Not bad, Carl Stubbs. How you doing, dude? I don't want this. I want... Oh, wait, I can do that. And then... Isn't there a way to... GPT-5 mini is trash model, at least from my testing and coding. I'm not doing coding with this. I'm doing scraping. It's very, very worth doing it if you're just scraping. Where's the... I swear you used to be able to press a button that gave you code, right? The fuck? Oh, 4.1 is the one with the million. How's your setup to use or switch LLM model? I see that YouTube's have mini haiku, DeepSeek chat. Are you using Claude Code Router? No, this is within the thing that I've built, right? It's not what I'm using to code. Oh, there it is. I'm just it's hard to explain, right? This is the... How do you explain that? This is the system I've made, not the coding. I'm coding with Opus. How long is your school community? A couple of hours more. There's no video in the school community. It's all just purely written. I mean, it'd probably take a good few hours to complete. Okay, never mind. It's got no explanation as to why that didn't work. Beautiful. Yeah, it's hard to... It's not like there's a certain like length, right? It's do you go through setting up Claude CLI and Claude Code? Yeah, I do, yeah. So like the first module is beginner vibe coding, right? Which just goes through everything that I could think of to do with beginner vibe coding, like Visual Studio Code, installing Node.js, how to use Docker, GitHub, .m files, MCPs, just all that stuff. And then the second one, vibe coding with CLI coders, is just everything I could think of for installing Claude Code, for example, installing Gemini CLI, why using CLI coders, subagents, all the way to things like building intelligent AI apps, which is kind of the more advanced stuff, and like how I built Grove and how Grove is intelligent, and all that good stuff. So that's the basic kind of rundown of the school community. There's other stuff in there as well. Building production ready apps. This is like my guide to getting an MVP out as soon as possible. Because I really believe that like this whole thing about perfection and stuff is a complete waste of time. Sorry, my girlfriend is just Tom and Jerrying with the cat real quick in front of me, just chasing her around. And then we've got a beginner's guide to SEO, including automation. It's all just written. It's all just directly from my head. It's all also available on YouTube for free as well. But yeah, it is what it is. Like that's kind of a breakdown of the school community, I guess. But yeah, I've put as much thought and time into it as possible. I'm still going to be adding to it. I've added to it a lot recently. I'm going to be continuing to add to it basically every day. And yeah, good stuff. How much extra API costs, more or less? If you can probably wait, you can probably get away with a $200 coding plan to do most things. Candy, but you might have to spend a little bit more if. Okay, I'm reading it. you want me to answer this on stream, or do you want me to email you back? Either way, just let me know. I don't want to answer your question if you don't want me to on stream. This guy's always here. He's just like me, bro. What is he now? 84 mining. Fuck, he's catching me up. Yeah, let me know. I can answer it on stream or answer it. I'll send an email back. I can finally work on Harbour though. Jesus Christ, I should have done this yonks ago. I just thought I was blocked for some reason. I don't know why. There was this weird thing where I could never log in. I couldn't understand the database. But this is, I don't know how to explain this in words. I was trying to put this in words. I can't explain it in words. Yeah, I'll email you back. It's all good. I'll email you back, yeah. I'm trying to put this in words, but I don't know how. Okay, so I am trying to put this in words, but I don't know how to explain it. The reason I use CLI coders is because they just get it. For example, I was locked outside my project Harbour for literally 6 months because there was an issue with getting database running and the JWT token, etc. But I gave it all to Claude Code, and within 5 minutes, everything was running perfectly without me really understanding what was going on. How can I put that into words for a reason to use CLI coders? Do not give me the I've been trying to. Nah, but this hasn't really got the crux of the issue. You've just repeated what I just said. There we go. That's a good way to put it. This is why I use CLI coders right here. It's really, really hard to explain to people, but. Oh, I see. Thanks for answering. No worries. Yeah, Harris, I'll email you back for sure. I do forget sometimes, though, obviously, so just be wary of that. Yeah, this is it. This is why I use CLI coders. Like, I could not, for the life of me, get on Harbour. I couldn't do it. I had to set something up. I don't know what it was. No, nothing. Not for you, mate. No. I like to prompt with what questions am I not asking in these scenarios to make it break out the loop and think outside the box. That's a really, really good point, actually. Don't know why. Oh, Lash. You do not want to play paintball, I'm telling you. You bruise like a peach. You will not like paintball. Oh, maybe, actually, with the new suits. Let me see, wait. Paintball Island. I just feel like you're just going to be in pain the whole time, but my fiance wants to go paintballing, but I mean, every time I've been paintballing, all I've done is just been in pain. Yeah, I know. I'm streaming now. Oh, they do laser tag as well and archery. Honestly, laser tag is better in my opinion, but I haven't been paintballing since I was 15 though, so maybe they have new suits or whatever that don't that just aren't as painful. I don't actually know, but when I went paintballing, I just wanted to cry the whole time. It was honestly that painful. Like, you just get covered in bruises, but I reckon they've changed it since we went paintballing all those years ago. Nah, we won. Of course we won. It was with Sam. We were so good that the guys had to like shoot us from behind. And then we turned around to shoot them back, and they were like, "You're not allowed to shoot us. We don't have helmets on or protective goggles." I was like, "Don't fucking shoot me then. What the fuck?" It was well unfair. They were just shooting us, and they were like, "You're not allowed to shoot us back." It's like, what do you mean, bro? We had this really good cover. We were there, just getting everyone, and then they started shooting us from behind. Huh? Me and Sam were both shooting. Pain is a feature, not a perk. Yeah, exactly. But my fiance, like, Amor, you don't have the largest pain threshold in the world, right? Like, your ability to handle pain is not that good.
Yeah.
I'm asking. Amor, I'm.
I have fought 3 months with a laser tag to burn my face to get rid of my head.
Alright, that's the last time I include you in the stream.
Try me. Hi guys, sorry.
You serious, man?
She can't probably take more pain.
Nah, I really doubt it. When it comes to paintballing, I doubt it. But you bruise, like, if I poke you, you bruise. Like, you're just gonna. Querido. Literally, if I go like that, you get a bruise. What do you think paintballing's gonna do to you?
I'll wear protective layers.
They might have them. Has paintballing changed since I last went? I went years ago. Do they have more protective? Yeah, now.
There's probably a new law on the pressure of the air.
Yeah, true. Good question. Yes, paintballing has changed quite a bit since you last played years ago. How do you know? Yeah, better full masks. Okay, padded clothing. There we go. Yeah. I was wearing like a boiler suit and that was it. So, I mean, that makes sense. As long as they have protective gear, I'm down. For sure, I'm down. She can decide to take the risk. Yeah, fair. Yeah, fair. That's a fair point. And then when she comes home crying, then it's, yeah, true. That's her decision. Yeah, we'll go. Screw it. That's a good point. I didn't think about that. True. That's her choice. But if she complains, I'm not. I won't be there. I'll be there bloody shooting. I'm not going to be there fucking helping her. Yeah, true. That's her own. That is her own choice. I've given her fair warning. I think they have faster shooting guns too. The worst is the hand shots. They bleed. Oh yeah. True. I mean, I would rather go laser tag because there's no pain. But I mean, she really wants to go paintballing specifically. Probably because she's never been. Yeah, true. It's her own choice. I've given her fair warning that it will be painful. Other than that, what can I do, really? Played in Morocco, they gave almost zero protection, yeah. When she come home, you take care of her nice and went. Oh, I cook most nights anyway. Yeah. I'm a house husband, so to speak. Happily as well. I love cooking, honestly. I absolutely love cooking. The only thing I'm really bad at is folding clothes. I am so bad at folding clothes. When are they going to invent a fucking robot to do that for me, literally? One that's not going to turn on me and... Oh, man, I really want them to just invent that. Laser tag way better, yeah, I agree. Personally, I agree, but, I mean, she's very stubborn. It's like arguing with a fucking brick wall, so... No, I want to go paintballing. Okay. It's her mistake to make at the end of the day. I've told her laser tag's better, but ugh, I actually prefer laser tag as well. Paintballing's hella painful. I don't want to go paintballing either, to be honest. Hey, little kitty. She's so funny, this cat. Okay, looks like we're gonna get something soon. Kiss a chair. One more. Candy? Why are you just staring at me? Please just work. I can't handle this not working again. Do you want to grab her and bring her here?
Hi,
You can bring her here. Come on.
hello. Hi, everybody. Mm.
I'll go. Maybe go dial it. My weird family. Oh, no, this isn't my weird family. This is my normal family. Guys, this is Susanna.
Hello.
She did stream once, actually, so some of you might know her, but... Oh, sweet as kid, dude. Oh. Oh, wait, let's change that to here. No one said anything anyway. Meep, 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 meep. I think it's behind. I think the stream's a little bit behind. I'm not sure, though. I don't actually know how it works. Oh, there it is. Yeah. That's Susanna, guys. She says hello. Oh, you have a... What's it called? What do you call it? Calico. You have a
Yeah.
3-colored cat as well. Is she also complete mayhem and mischievous? They can't see you. I'm not sure what's going on with my camera. Oh, there you are. You got to know each other in Italy, yes.
Yes,
Yeah, we did, yeah.
we did.
When she didn't speak English and I didn't speak Italian.
I was using Google Translate,
We were using Google Translate.
but I studied English at school, so I learned how to speak, unfortunately, very quickly.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Well, perché now poi mi può capire.
Yeah.
Oh. She is 15, so relaxed, right? Okay. Lucky.
Who's 15?
His cat.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, you're lucky because... Oh, looks like we're done. Oh, it actually generated content. Okay. Oh, we're back. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. No internal links. Oh, there are some.
Laser tag way better. So we should go laser tag.
So you listen to this random guy, but not... You listen to... Well, not random guy, but you listen to him, but not me. I've told you 15 times that you've...
I think painful will be more fun though, because I don't know, there is paint, so it's funny.
We can do whatever you want, love. It's your mistake to make at the end of the day. If you want to go do paintballing, we can go do paintballing. That's fine.
Anyway, we're ready for Christmas decoration.
Yeah, I'm streaming that, so. That's classic Susanna. She won't listen to me, but she listens to random chat. I just don't get it. I told her 15 times at least. Why is there no key takeaway table? Okay, so this is good. Okay, this is good, but let's. You guys really match. We're kind of the opposites of each other at times as well. Yeah. Why is the content so long? Thanks, Bilal. Yeah, we do match, to be fair. Wait, can you give me a list of all the content writing prompts, please? I've just completely in my head, like, it's been so long since I worked on Harbour that I don't even know why the content is 6,000 words long, for example. It's just ridiculous. Like, if keywords, if articles are 6,000 words long, people need way more tokens. I might just increase everyone's tokens. I don't even know how we would do that. I think I should also drive down to Italy and find some more base women. Probably accurate for sure. You prefer to just work in terminal directly with CC instead of VS Code in terminal? Yeah, no, 100%. Terminal's way better. Where do the token limits come from right now? There. Wait. Change. Oh wait. Let me just change this and this. Maybe remove the expansion prompt. Can we change this and this to use Sonnet 4.5? These are the main writing prompts. Also, remove. I think I might remove the expansion prompt. Remove the. Um, yeah, no, Susanna's great. She really is. Hey, High on Mountains official. How you doing, dude? Thanks for the Wizard V2. Got 2 nice websites, so that's still playing. I get the structure and made a static HTML only. Nice. Yeah, I'm probably going to add a WordPress version because someone is just commenting on my channel repeatedly about WordPress that it's literally insane. It's like WordPress. Every video I make, they're just like, how does this play into WordPress? So just for that one guy, I'm going to, yeah, do that. I might just increase everyone's tokens by like 10 times as well. I don't actually know how tokens are like calculated and stuff anymore. Obviously, it's been such a while since I've worked on Harbor. Hi, what are you building? If you don't mind me asking, I'm improving an old SaaS that I used to work on. Also, don't give design and just say use skills that gave me chair on the top of cake. Hell yeah, dude. I'm really glad. Thank you for coming in and telling me that it works and that you've got a good use out of it. How can we increase people's tokens as I don't necessarily have access to the database, but I'd just like to increase everyone's tokens. Talk me through it. Let's go plan mode for this. I just want to increase everyone's. I just want everyone to have more tokens. Just take them all. Take more tokens. Just everyone have more tokens. Everyone gets more tokens. You get more tokens. You get more tokens. Everyone gets more tokens. The token limit was when we were really focused of being like an SEO agency. We didn't want people to be able to come along for $29 a month and write better and more content than if they paid us more money, right? That's just kind of it's general business logic, right? You don't undercut yourselves. But these days, we're not really focused on being an SEO agency anymore. So everyone gets more tokens. Tokens are like an alphabet, but with one letter. You should understand them as one or more character long. No, this is tokens within Harbor itself, right? This here. This number here. I just want to increase it. I want everyone to have tokens. I might just temporarily give everyone 1,000,000 tokens. Everyone gets more. Just take more. Everyone. Just have more. Like, I might just, temporarily just give everyone millions and millions and millions of tokens. Now, these are our own internal tokens. This is just words of content, right? I think temporarily what I'll do is I'll just give every account 1,000,000 tokens. Build an admin endpoint. I can do this. Create a simple protected endpoint like admin grant tokens, body amount, all users true. Create an admin endpoint. I do like that idea. No idea. The content will actually be better because it's Sonnet 4.5. I'm just trying to think the best way to do this, whether it's better if I do this or my dev. It's probably the same for the Harbor token count algorithm. Nah, it's literally just words. Haiku 4.7, sometime around 2 p.m. CST. Okay, what time is it CST? Okay, Haiku 4.7? Really? Where are you seeing this? No, in a bit. Where are you seeing that? You won't be able to post links, but if you could just tell me where you're seeing that, that'd be great. Come on, don't whistle. It's probably getting picked up by the.
So,
by the microphone.
this is
Avete capito? Ma dai. No. So if I wanted to increase the tokens of fans and also for current users, how do I do that? Saw a guy on Reddit say it. Okay. Interesting. And how is this affected by yearly? Wait, how many? What? 12K times 12 is what? How many words would a yearly light user get at the moment for a year? That's right here.
it's everything.
That's not how.
Something. Some length.
What would happen if we gave everyone a million tokens? Yeah. Total level. Wait, what'd you say? Yeah. Oh, nice. Can you help me do this inside Amazon AWS RDS? I'm just going to give everyone a million tokens, guys, just because I just want to say sorry, basically, for not being able to control my own SaaS for fucking ages. So anyone that's stuck with us so far is just going to get a shitload of tokens, basically. Can you change the announcement bar to explain that? We are giving everyone 1 million tokens that has been with us from the start as a way of saying sorry for not being able to ship as many updates as we wanted, and now we are back to shipping updates. Also, increase the light plan to 80k words. Wait, 12. Yeah. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Can I just sign in here? Wait, I should probably not show that. Is this gonna work? Oh, that's the wrong account. It's going to take me a second, guys. I just need to log into Stripe for the first time in a long, long time. What is this? One second, guys. I don't know what the fuck's even going on. Can you close that door? Wait, what the fuck is all this? Oh, that's the wrong local host. Was it 3001? Okay, nice. All right. Um, if I push to dev here, can you push to, wait, should I push to dev? Push to dev? No. He said push to dev with a merge, or can you do a merge? Is it called merge request or pull request? Or whatever it's called. Saying that we've increased the limits, changed the models, and I would like everyone to have 1 second. Please. 1 million might actually be too many. We'll probably lose a lot of money on that. Let's do 200,000. Let's do 200K. Yeah, 1 million is probably way too many. Additional tokens should add on to the tokens they have. Wait, how much would power users have had? Oh, also change to 200K plus tokens instead of 1 million. You do a pull request and it's reviewed, you merge the PRT amendment. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it knows what I mean anyway. It's all good. Does this still work as well? I needed to check this. Okay, nice. That should be good. My developer should handle that tomorrow. Let him handle that. It's fine. Okay. Oh, what is this doing? So is this just pushing? I don't understand. Whatever. I'll let my developer handle it. This does work. Why did they say it doesn't work? This works perfectly. Someone told me this wasn't working, but it does. Interesting. Okay, I think that's pretty good for now. We've updated the models to the latest models. We're going to give everyone 200,000 tokens, and everyone should have increase amounts. It was just doing a check now, right? Okay, perfect. Can you also check where the amount of tokens is mentioned on the front end and change to the new minutes discussed here? Wait, that's not even the right amount. It should be, all right, it should be powerhouse. What's 30 times? Oh no, by 5. No, no, it's correct, right? Yeah, it is. Where is this app hosted? What's the architecture? It's it's on AWS. It's React and React and PSQL, I think. I'm not sure what else there is to actually. Yeah. I'll probably add a few more features to this tomorrow. I'll probably stream that. So you on?
Yeah.
Oh, I got rested outside Stormwind, just so you know.
Oh yeah, yeah. No. I got rested as well.
Ah, nice. Fully.
Yeah, I think so.
Nice. Sorry, guys, I'm just thinking in my head a lot right now. Tokens for these two things by about 400, 500. The link is fine. I'm not too bothered about the linker. I'm not sure how many people even used it, to be fair. Okay, beautiful. I'll let my developer handle that tomorrow when he's awake. It's really late where he is. Is there anything else I want to do for now with this suddenly? The hell is causing that? Weird. Oh, never mind. Okay, right. What about reworker? What about reworker? How do the tokens, etc. work? What about that? Trying to give people as much as possible that stayed with Harbor from the very beginning. This didn't push automatically, right? No, it won't have done this. Okay, nice. That works. Okay, beautiful. So we've just increased everyone's tokens on Harbor massively. I don't think it will have pushed automatically. No. Good. Why does this keep going black? Oh, right. It's just okay. It's fine. What else do we need to do? Not really much, to be honest with you. So for Bilal, if you're still here, for every update, if we make a pull request, like how does that actually work? Wait, how do if I continue making updates now and do more pull requests, how does that actually work in practice? I don't actually know how it works. So am I changing dev? Is that what's happening? I'm here. Hey, Bar. Sorry. So I'm not actually pushing. So how? Okay, but should I reset my local GitHub, make a different change, then do a different PR, or continue making changes where we are now? Like, there's no changes here. Oh, 4 minutes ago. Sorry. Yeah, it's right here. I'm an idiot. So you just continue with dev, right, as normal. Okay, no, that's fine. I'll just continue. That's all good. It's been a while since we actually did a release. Okay, overall things are looking pretty good, to be honest with you. I'm happy that I can actually make changes again. It feels really, really good. It's been a while, I'll tell you that much. It's been a while. You can create issues on GitHub and work on them if your own branch and create pull requests so the dev can review and prove it, and yeah, that way it gets to the main branch. It's okay. He told me to push to dev anyway, so I'll just continue working on the dev branch. If I make any other changes, then we can merge all at once. I think for now, though, I'm not actually sure if there are any more changes I'd like to make. I need to see the output again. Is it gonna? Sorry, guys, one sec. Sorry, guys, fire alarm. All good. Nice. Do you want some bread with that butter?
You fucking go.
Jesus, that's a lot of. That's a lot, but that's a lot.
You only live once.
You only live once. True that. True that. I just fell on mine. That's a good one. I haven't even eaten today. I've just been fucking content creating. Hopefully this will work, guys. No, it's just haiku, right? It's fine. There's no way Haiku 4.7 is coming today, right? Haiku 4.7. I refuse to believe that. Okay. Where's the kitty?
Oh, cat.
Nah, she wouldn't have got out. 10 minutes, she's at the window like, no!
That's really good.
So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how things have gone so far. It very much feels like things are back in my control. I would love to push automatically and see the changes, but I guess I just have to deal with the fact that I have to wait sometimes to get my changes in. But that's okay. I don't mind that. It's better that my dev handles this stuff, to be honest with you. Because yeah, I'm not a dev at the end of the day, and he is a dev, so. Just gonna eat a snacker jack, guys.
Just the most disruptive thing to eat during a stream. Those are the bit cheese though. Nah. So, yeah. There's loads of herbs are on. No, it's Ellen Forest.
Mm.
Yeah, of course, the light. Oh yeah.
I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Oh, I've got the chat closed. Okay, so yeah, we should see in a second if all this has paid off. I'm hoping that the article's slightly less long. 6,000 words is too long, in my opinion. A lot of people were begging me to make it longer, but at the end of the day, it's too long, in my opinion. I have to step in sometimes and be like, you know what? People are actually wrong about this, and nobody wants 6,000 word articles anymore. What's going on? Come on. Like, when was the last time anybody in their right mind read a 6,000 word article? Especially an AI generated 6,000 word article. Like, at the end of the day, like, I have to step in sometime. Oh, I'm losing sapphires because I've got full inventory. RIP. Go, 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 go. Does feel a little bit stuck, I'm not going to lie. The last thing that happened was at 1703 for some reason. Takes way more than 20, a couple of several minutes, but fair enough. Does feel stuck. It shouldn't really take this long. Wait, what just happened? It does seem stuck, which is weird. I don't think I've really seen it get stuck before. I might have to start it on Visual Studio Code instead, where I can actually read things. I'll leave the front end there. I don't mind the front end. I need to do cd harbor back npm run dev. It's been a long time since I saw this. Wow, it's been a long time since I saw that, I have to say. There we go. Okay, so I can actually see what's going on now a bit better. I wasn't even going to stream this today, but I'm glad I did in the end. Okay, so things seem to be running now. What is the debugger you're using? Yeah, I don't actually know, dude. I didn't make this this part of it. Previously, it didn't look like this. I don't actually know what the hell has even happened here, but yeah, I know it's frustrating, but I didn't actually make this. The original one I made, it used to be all yellow. There we go. I can try and get the name of the debugger for you. Have you tried DeepSeek? No, I won't be trying it either, to be honest. It's a waste of time, in my opinion. Unless someone tells me that it's actually good. I'm just not interested in bad models, to be honest with you. Okay, well, I mean, I answered that question correctly. This looks pretty good. Oh, damn, maybe it's not that bad. This looks okay, actually. Maybe I spoke too soon about DeepSeek. Normally, I don't like their models, but we'll see, we'll see. It's got one chance right here, right now to impress me. Shall see, we shall see. I think it's by far the best open source model out there right now. Interesting. See what its we'll see what its design is like real quick. Terrible. That's pretty shit. It's not great. This is pretty nice. They made it mobile friendly as well. Eh, it's not bad. It's not bad. Let's see how it does with the. We'll see in a second with the full one. This is where the other one got stuck, I believe. The outline should not take this long. I don't understand what's going on. It shouldn't take 3 minutes to output. Hmm. Maybe it's thinking? Okay, let's see DeepSeek what you got. Yeah, it's exactly the same. It's not bad. It's okay. It's pretty good. Obviously, these are placeholders. With images, this might look a lot better. I don't know, it's tough to say. If you do the same prompt with like Opus, for example, it's just going to be significantly better from Opus. Create a staging server. Yeah, I might actually do that. Why is this taking so fucking long? There's no error, so... As far as I know, there's nothing that should be taking this long, but... 5 minutes for the outline. Hmm. Sonnet 4.5 really take this long? This does seem to be taking a very, very long time. Is Claude like down or something? No, not that I can see. I really don't understand why this is taking so long. What the hell is this? What? What is causing that? That's really weird. It looks like it's down, right? Surely. Oh, but what would cause this error? It's real quick. It's like, no. It's the Claude AI SDK that's failing, I think. This was working earlier. Maybe use Haiku. But I use Sonnet. I use Sonnet all the time. It's Claude Code. That's really weird. As far as I know, that should not be happening. Shouldn't just be a dump, as far as I know. Okay, maybe there's a mistake in the code. Wait. That's why Haiku was working, I guess. Give me a full breakdown. This should have really been a space then. Was it 8,400, right? Yeah, let's try this again. I've reduced the max tokens. I'm hoping that will stop. Where is it? Let's see if this works this time. Does anyone use Perplexity Comet? What do you guys think of that? I haven't used it. Wait, why is this no longer finding URLs? Well, why did I write the sitemap wrong? Oh yeah, oops. I forgot to put. Okay, this is just Haiku, and then this uses wait, GPT 5 Mini. Yeah, that's fine. What's the pricing on that? Oh yeah, let's check this actually. So this is Gemini 3 preview to compare to DeepSeek. Let's see. Yeah, you can see this is better. It's just instantly better. It just looks way better. Yeah, 26. Perfect. That's what we needed. Okay, so this is all working. For some reason, the only thing that's not is the... Hey, Kim VN, how you doing? The only thing that's not working is the actual outline generator for some reason, which is weird. How do you refresh the tokens for Gina in your applications? You pay for it. Probably not the answer you wanted, but yeah, you just pay for it. The answer to most questions are you pay for it. We just pay for it. We have a separate Gina account, but I don't show on streams and stuff. And we just pay for everything. We pay for it there. It's worth paying for sure. You can also use Bright Data or Firecrawl or what's that one? That Python one. Python AI script. I can't remember what it's called.
Today, I'll be showing you how.
The hell is it called? I've completely forgotten. It's one where it's like an octopus. I can't remember what it's called. Scrape or something. Crawl for AI now. It's not. What the hell's it called? So I use it for SERP scraping, but the tokens are going fast. Yeah, I mean it is what it is. You could use SERP AI maybe. SERP AI is probably cheaper if you're just doing specifically SERP scraping. What is this? This is definitely something is definitely going wrong here. This time it was instant. It just timed out like that. There's definitely a problem here. Hmm. I don't actually know what's going on here. This is really weird. Oh. Oh no, sorry, it's still going. That's weird. Interesting. Okay, that was from a previous run. Okay. Guys, I'm probably going to continue this off stream just because most of it's just waiting around for Harvard to generate, which, trust me, I've been doing that for a very long time. And it does take a while to generate. I got a meeting soon as well, I think. Yeah, hopefully this will keep running. 30, 35. This is a really weird one. Do you know how to get anti-gravity to fully YOLO mode? Not 100% sure. It was working for me. It's something to do with your agent settings. I'm not actually using this until they give me higher limits though, because I'm sick. I don't want to be using shit limits. I think it's this maybe fast or yeah, I'm pretty sure it's this, right? Fast. How did your big meeting go the other day? It went well. Thank you for asking. It went well. We'll see how well it goes in the future, obviously, but yeah. It's like 8% YOLO mode when on turbo, right? Until they give me higher limits, though, I'm not using it. Like, I just refuse. I'm paying 200 quid a month. Like, how can I not have higher limits? I don't get it. Just use my ultra plan. I don't understand why they have to be so annoying. This should not be this long. I'm really confused. I don't think I've ever seen the API take 5 minutes for anything. IQ 4.7. Still nothing. I swear that I really don't understand why this is not working. What Bright Data plan are you using? They're a sponsor of the channel. There's a link in the description. So I'm on the free plan, but we get tokens obviously for free because they sponsor the channel. It's pretty good though. It's good for certain scraping. Is there an alternative? Yeah, Gina. Gina would be an alternative. But Gina can't scrape certain pages. Bright Data is really, really good if you want to scrape like LinkedIn or whatever. This is really weird. The Gemini service didn't work 1 hour ago for like 15 minutes. Nice. Interesting to know. I've been having real problems with AI Studio as well. There it is. It didn't work again. So it keeps timing out. So, I mean, can you change the models back to HiQ as this? HiQ is fast. I'm still not convinced, but I guess if it says that that's the problem, that's probably the problem, right? I mean, I guess if that's what it says, then oh. I know that was an old test. 1 second, guys. I just need to run down here real quick on RuneScape. Is this Claude Code SDK? No, it's not using the Claude Code SDK. Have you got familiar on build skills around a project? Yeah, I'm getting used to it. What open router models do you think it's best for creating content for service pages? And do you use different LLM models for different agent tasks? If you're just doing something like content creation, I would use a cheap model. It's not worth using expensive models. Winter is cold and everyone is staying home and building true. Gina couldn't automate and fill in stuff properly, but with bright data it could. But using bright data is getting expensive on the pay-as-you-go plan. Yeah, I mean, yeah. As long as you make money with it, then. Okay, this will probably be my last test. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to go and figure out what the fuck is going on. Bright data is good with the proxies and all that stuff. Yeah, no, I do like bright data. It's very, very good. We use it internally quite a lot, to be honest. Other than bright data and Gina, don't have any alternatives. There was one. I just can't remember what it's called right now. Crawl AI or something. What's it called? It was like an octopus scraping thing. What the hell was it called, man? Was it called Crawl for AI? Maybe it was this, actually. Is this Python? It might be this. I can't remember. I think it might be this. But yeah, I can't remember. Maybe try. No, I don't mean Firecrawl. Firecrawl is really expensive. I wouldn't recommend Firecrawl. It's too expensive. Oh yeah, it's this one. Crawl for AI. Yeah, it's this one here. I don't know what it does. I don't know if it does what you need, but it's open source, so. Yeah, Crawl for AI is pretty good from what I remember. It's a good alternative. It's a free library as well, so. Gotta love free libraries. Jesus, this prompt is just ridiculous. Yeah, no worries. All right, man. Great stream. Going to head out. Keep in touch with email. I will do. Yeah, I'll reply. Hi, when you're trying to make design, do you use reference images to create pixel components for your design? I normally just use Playwright to borrow other people's stuff. I'd recommend you do the same. Add more logging to your worker, perhaps. Important to see where the bugs are, or test the flow with the test script locally you first to work out the block in the chain. It's I'm pretty sure it's just the API is timing out because Sonnet is too slow for some reason. I'm like 99% sure that's what the issue is. There's nothing here about it timing out, so I'm guessing this will work with Haiku first time. So I'm guessing this will work first time. I remember in one of your videos you had a prompt along the lines of designing this better or something like that to get a better design, but I can't remember what it was. Yeah, it's a fairly basic prompt. It just says. That's weird. This happened last time too. Oh, it's too long, that's why. Okay. That's good that we got that error out of the way, actually. It should reload. Yeah. I'm glad that error came up now, actually, because now I can fix it. This was an error that came up before, but I didn't actually know what was going on, but now I can see it and fix it. What is the basic prompt? Have you tried Aura Build? It's a little hyped. No, I'll check a look. I'll take a look. The prompt is in the school. I'll just grab it for you, Flavin. It's Classroom, this one, Gemini. It's really simple. It's just this. That's literally the entire prompt. You can take a picture of it now and you can use it. It's nothing special, but it does work pretty well. Aura build. Was it a site? Heritage sites. Knew it. Now I already don't want to use this. It's pissing me off already. This is pretty cool, actually. Wow. Hmm. This is just UI UX though, as far as I understand it, right? Or is this claiming to be a full builder? Do you use the $200 plan? What do you do when you hit the limit? I just keep coding and keep paying. Probably not what you want to hear, but wow, this is pretty good, I have to say. Thanks for that. That will probably be a video later or tomorrow or something. Oh, okay. Rip, I guess. Okay, that was pretty cool until it did that. And then what do you mean publish? Hi. Okay, well that was pretty cool until it broke. Interesting. There was something cooking. Okay, well, rip. Well, it was close. It almost had me. You know, I would have probably continued to use it, but it just broke. So I guess I'll try it again off stream. Guys, I think I'm actually gonna have to stop streaming because I'm not sure if I have to do this meeting or not. I'll check in a sec. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure if I have to do this meeting or not. I'm not actually sure. I just really want to see this working. This better work, right? We're on high. I swear it doesn't take this long normally. I don't actually know what's going on. I feel like it's not connected. Yeah, I'm so confused. Hmm. Should I just move everything to OpenAI? Could be a fix. Oh, there we go. Actually, oh no, did it work? Yeah, it worked, yeah. I'll probably get it to print the outline. That's one thing that's missing. Okay, so it was just an issue with Sonnet being too slow. Interesting. I don't know if you managed to see that. Yeah, this should generate content now, guys. I might change it to GPT 5.1 though. I've heard pretty good things about GPT 5.1. At least for the outline prompt, anyway.
Muito popular. Muito popular.
Ja, hai perso mani nella guerra, dai. That's true. No templates provided. That's interesting. So we should get our first content in a while. What is editing good? What can it do that Claude Code can't? It's just easier for people who aren't what is it? People who can't code properly. And also people who struggle with OAuth and things like that. Have you planned broader scope for your community with activities and coding sessions? It works well, I would say. What do you mean? Give me an example. I just like to build in public. That's what I do, kind of. Yeah, any second now we should get the content live here. And it shouldn't be 5,000 words anymore. And then, yeah, I'll continue building. What are you building? I'm improving Harbor, which is my first SaaS that I created. I just want to make it better. Come on, just give me the content. Let me see it. Yeah, I was thinking too fast. I don't know. What? Why is this taking so long? I don't understand. What the fuck is this? It should just be done. Why is this taking so long? What's the which model does the game? There we go. Fucking finally, dude. Okay, there's the key takeaways. Okay, nice. It's definitely an improvement. There's that picture. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to finish streaming there because I need to go because I'm not sure if I need to do this meeting or not. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow. I'll be back for sure. What do you mean good for OAuth? It means you don't have to log in and create your own system, basically. Wait, let me just see if I have to do this meeting. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it there. Thank you so much for tuning in, etc., etc. It looks like we've made some good progress there. Make a PR, please. This is good. Let's see the content real quick. There we go. There's no more bullshit. Perfect. W3. Let's try it. Editor. There we go. Beautiful. Much better. Much better. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Harbor's a SEO content writer. Whoever asked that question.